Yeah, little slower.
So many options.
Getting the better of me.
Yeah.
So again, you control, but you've left me this hole.
Yeah.
Okay? But if it was the other way around, where you're controlling me,
Yeah.
and you're putting it that way,
Yeah.
I'm in a very bad spot.
Yeah.
Okay, but I've always got
You still got the knife.
the knife control.
Yeah.
Okay? Put some pressure on me. That's the main difference. Is that switch over?
Yeah.
That's hard. Okay?
Yeah.
Because if he does make that move fast, I'm controlling him from here. Balance.
Yeah.
Okay?
What did you do then? I didn't even know you did.
His stance is wrong.
Get some square.
That's not good often.